In this video, we're going to talk about making a premier group in Convene. So to do this, I'm going to use the basic training for beginning affiliates group as the demo. As I enter the basic training for affiliates group, I'm going to go to subgroups. So the way it works within Convene is you make premier groups inside of public groups. And the reason for that is that you want to be able to offer some free content in order to bring people in for your private content or your premier content or your premier groups. So here you can see that we already have one group in here, but I'm going to create another one really quick. And so we're going to call this Premier Demo Group. All right, I'm going to come in here and I'll use this image that I've already have set up to use. And then I'm going to go down here, again, public group, private groups, and premier groups. So we're going to use it as a premier group. And when I do that, it's going to allow me to crop the image that I just put in here, and it's called Premier Groups. I'll crop that image, and it's going to come to the next page. So when I get to the next page, this is where I decide what kind of group I want to have in the group settings. Do I want a single payment group? So what a single payment group means that you just charge a one-time fee for access to your group and to your content. So whether that is, $9.99 or $499, whatever price that you want to charge, you simply put it in here and it'll be charged. Okay? So the next type of group is a subscription payment for your group. So what does this mean? This might be a dynamic group where you're constantly adding content, and you want to have a membership group where you're constantly working and talking and going back and forth with your members within this group. And so you might want to charge a membership fee, which is either a monthly fee or it could be a price per year. So you have to put both. So for example, I might put $9.99 a month or $99.99 for the year, so I give them a discount for that. Okay, so let's go in here and we'll put just put $9.99 as the example. And then I'm going to come down to the next part. So I have a choice at this point. Do I want to be a part of the Convene affiliate program or do I not want to be a part of it? If I select no, then you just hit save and you go on and you will keep 100% of the profits to your group. Let's say I decide that I want to be a part of the Convene affiliate program. The slider pops up and then I can come in and I can set a percentage that goes from 10% to all the way up to 60%. Let's say I set 30%. Now what does this mean for you? What Convene is going to do at this point is we're going to partner with you and we're going to promote your content. So we're going to promote it on our website, convenecommunities.com. We're also going to promote it inside each community or the community that you put your content in. So for example, if you're a soccer group and you're a soccer premier group because you have soccer content, that will be promoted in the soccer community and it will also be promoted in the affiliate community. Now why is that important? Because the affiliates can see that you have that content that they can go out and promote and sell, and because you're giving a percentage, they will be more likely to promote your content to try to gain a commission off of selling your content. So you get your own built-in sales force through giving a percentage to the affiliate community. And again, Convene is going to promote it. So I'm going to save this. And you'll see that now I'm inside a group. So it's the same group functionality that you have within any group, public group or private group on Convene. The only thing that's different and that is added now is you have the ability to see a sales report. You also have the ability to create other premier groups inside of your premier group. So you might want to sell an up course or upgrade a course, if you have tiered up content. So, it's the same type functionality that you're used to from using Convene, but now we've given you the ability to create as many syllabi as you want, unlimited syllabi within that group, and unlimited premier groups. So for the cost of $29.99 a month or $299 a year, you have the ability to make unlimited courses, unlimited syllabi, and grow your tribe using Convene. So I hope you take advantage of this. If you have questions, please let us know. But I look forward to working with you within Convene, and let's grow this together.